So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up the Bitcoin Solo Mini Lottery Miner from Jingle Mining. As you can see, I have mine mining away and hopefully hitting the block and making me thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin. As you can see, these miners come in these boxes right here. And then when you open the box, it comes with this small plastic box like here. Check it out, fits in the palm of your hand. And the miner itself is even smaller. Check it out. So all you have to do is plug the cable that it comes with into the miner itself and plug it in to a PC, a computer, the wall, wherever you want to plug it into, just so it can get some power. Once it gets power, you'll be ready to go. This miner uses Wi-Fi, so you do not have to connect Ethernet cables or any of that stuff. As you can see, it is super tiny. Once your miner is connected to power, it will show a QR code that you will need to scan. So all you have to do is go to your camera app and scan this barcode and open the link that pops up. Once you open the link, it will look something like this. It will say Wi-Fi settings. So you are going to click on the first one that says configure Wi-Fi. This is where you are going to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once you do that, it will bring you to this page where you will need to enter in your Wi-Fi information, the name and the password. Then you will need to change the pool URL to pool.vkbit.com. This is the only URL this miner will accept. Also, the pool port, you will need to type in 3333. This is also the only port it can use. And then right below it, you will need to put in your Bitcoin address. This is where your Bitcoin will be deposited if your miner hits the block and ends up making you a ton of money. So make sure to use a Bitcoin address that you have full access to. You do not want your miner to hit the block and make you a ton of money. Then next thing you know, you don't have your seed phrase or you totally forgot about the wallet. And then finally, the time zone, depending on where you are, will determine the number that you put in. I'm on the East Coast, so I'm simply leaving it at 2. So once you type in all of the information and you press save, your miner should look something like this. It will show the mining rate right here and some other important information. And you're done. Now you can simply set it and forget it, and hopefully down the road it hits a block and makes you a ton of money. But that is how easy and simple it is to set up one of these miners. Also, as you can see right here, it is currently mining at 54 kilohashes, but I will be making another video showing you guys how to flash these miners so you can get all the way up to 75 kilohashes on your miner, thus increasing your chances of hitting the block and making some Bitcoin. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you have any questions regarding this miner or you want to get one yourself, the link will be in the description box below. Drop all your questions in the comments. I will be answering to the best of my abilities. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to see the next video. Peace out.